How to learn JavaScript from beginner to advanced. Today we will discuss about another method in JavaScript of array. This method is includes. Includes, it's used to check whether an array contains a specific element. Return a boolean value true if the element is found in the array, or false if it's not. Let's see one example with this includes method. We have an array numbers with more element, no? And in first line here we want to check if inside of number array number there are this element 15. Let's see. And the second is there are this element 15. The first is true because you see here you have this element inside. Second is false because this doesn't exist in the array. Okay, and I return true and false. Syntax for this method is array that includes with element that you search for it and start index. This start index is optional. Okay, let's see for example with this start index one example. Okay, here we start to searching from index 2 because I put here, you see, number 2. Here I put negative value. Let's see the result also with false or true. The first line is false because I start the finding of 10 numbers from 2 index, no, but my number is at index 1 and exclude it and don't find this. Okay, but if I put to 1, let's see what happens. To start index 1, it's true because I find this element at index 1. This method uses strict equality, 3 equal, to determine if an element is present, meaning it does not convert data type. Have 2 arguments, the element that you that you search, and from where you start to make this search, start index. Let's see now one example with a function, because this includes, it's really helpful when you use it inside of function. And we create here a function check item with 2 parameters. First parameter is array and second is item from this array. And I may use here a conditional if my array have item inside, show item is in the array, else show item is not in the array. Okay, here I put the arguments. Fruits is this array, no, and the second argument item is this, no, and I call here my function, because when you create a function you have to sides the first part when you define a function and when you create a function with logical statements, and the second you should to call the function. Here I call the function with two arguments. The first argument is an entire array. This R is let fruit, no? And the second array, it's an item. I put here banana and grape. Let's see what happens. Banana is in the array. It's true, because if I check my array, I see here at index 1 banana. Grape is not in the array because I don't have grape in the array. Let's make again. Let's call again this function, check item with R, first argument, fruits, no, because R, this parameter is fruits, and second we put mango. Let's see what I received in the console, will be true or false. I receive mango is in the array or not. Mango is in the array, or mango is not in the array. If the item there are in the R, I will shoot to receive mango is in the array. Let's see the result. Mango is in the array. Okay, let's call again, this time with Sherry. Second argument, it's this parameter, no item, Sherry, and fruits is this parameter. I call them check item, first parameter, second parameter, but with arguments. Check item, first parameter, fruits, second parameter, item, arguments, Sherry. Let's see. Sherry is in the array. Okay, that is all for today. Don't forget, keep in your mind this includes method. You can use includes when you work with strings, but when you work also with arrays. Includes return you if return a boolean value if value item there are in the array. It's ideal when you use conditional function, no, because you check if something there are in the array, and you write to do something that function, no, and it's ideal to take these links. Okay, all the best. Don't forget to practice in each day to write function. Don't because more you write coding, more you get better. All the best.